Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Master Computer Science subject. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the concept of dictionaries in Python. Especially we are going to discuss how to create a dictionary. Dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. So let us see the method 1, how to create a dictionary. In method 1, let me call a dictionary by name D1. I can just open and close the curly braces, which creates an empty dictionary. If I ask what is the type of D1, it displays D1 is an object of class dict. So D1 is a dictionary. So how to add the elements into the dictionary? We can add the elements into the dictionary one by one by referring to the key. With respect to dictionary, an element means it is a key value pair. So first key I'm adding now. Let the key be K1. Let its value be V1. If I give like this, a key value pair is inserted. Now we are going to do for another key value pair. Let me change the value to K2 and the value to V2. So by the way, we have inserted another key value pair. Let us try one more. Let it be K3 and V3. Yes. Now we print D1. If you print D1, you are able to see the collection of key value pairs. Key and value are separated by colon. Now let us discuss another method. Let it be method 2. Let the name of the dictionary be D2. I'm going to create the dictionary as a set of key value pairs. So key is 1 and its value is ONE. Again key is 2. Let the value be 2. Again 3 is key. Let the value be 3. We know that the strings must be enclosed either in the single quote or in the double quote. So second dictionary is also created. Let us display what is D2. Yes, this is another method of creating the dictionary. Now we are going to discuss the third method. In the third method we are going to use a method called dict. So how to create this? Let me name the dictionary as D3. If I just call the method, it will create an empty dictionary. Once the empty dictionary is created, using the method 1, once again we are able to insert the elements. Now I'm not going to create the empty dictionary. I'm going to create a dictionary with elements. So I'm going to pass the elements as arguments. So how to pass? We can pass it as a set of key value pairs again, like this. 1 colon 10, comma 2 colon 20, comma 3 colon 30. Yes, we have created dictionary D3. Let us display D3. Yeah, D3 is displayed now. Now we are going to see the fourth method. Again, fourth method is also using the dict. Let us create D4 by calling the function dict. But now we are going to pass the key value pairs as the list of tuples. We know that for list only we use the brackets. So we are passing list of tuples. So for tuples, we have to use a round bracket. Inside the tuple, the key value pair must be created as a, of course, must be separated by a comma. So let me create like this, 11, comma 22. Okay, next key value pair, once again it must be separated by a comma. Now we are including one more tuple, 22, comma 33. Yes, the key value pair is separated by comma, 33, comma 44. Yes, we are done with this. Now let me display D4. Yes, D4 is also dictionary. So till now we have discussed four methods of creating the dictionary. Now how to access the element from the dictionary? We can access a value from the dictionary with the help of the index. Index is nothing but here key. Every dictionary is almost like a list only, but in the list it is already indexed. Every element is already indexed starting from 0 to n minus 1. But in dictionary it is not so. We are indexing the elements. How we are indexing the elements? Using the key values we are indexing the elements. So now let me print D4 of 33. The expected answer is 44. Let us see. Yeah, it is printing. Now if I try to access the key which is not there, it will report an error. It is reporting an key error. When you are trying to search for a key which is not there in the dictionary, it will report an error. I hope you have understood this dictionary concepts. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you.